Hi there, it's Marina here, and I'd like to share with you a new tutorial. It's about a little box which you can use it for a baptism or just keep it as a sweet gift box. So we're gonna need two pieces of cardstock that measures 14 by 14 centimeters and 11.2 by 11.2 centimeters. Let's begin with the base. We'll mark in 4 centimeters and 10 centimeters on both sides. We take the scoring tool and we're scoring where we marked. We burnish well with a bone folder. And we start cutting, as you see here, all the way around. Now we use double-sided tape and we fold it well. Our base is ready. Let's make the lid. We mark all around in 2.5 centimeters. We follow the same procedure as the base. We fold and done. For the decoration, I used digital paper collection, which is from A&B Illustrations, and it's called Soft Candles in Pink. You can find the link for that down in the description area, where you can also find out everything I used for this project. To decorate the lid, we're gonna use one piece of paper that measures 5.8 by 5.8 centimeters and 4 pieces that measure 5.8 by 2.2 centimeters. We can use any glue or double-sided tape to stick them on the lid. Last but not least, we glue a foamiran flower on the top, and you can see how to make it by clicking on the link in the description area. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!